At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. I want to take a good look at my screen. I can read it. Well, let's read together. Imagine the doctor died up by UWHI and there is no memo to say that this happened. Word of mouth and business as usual up there. No compassion from management. Disgusting place. Them are going to get exposed with them wicked ways. My wisdom warriors. According to this, because somebody sent me this, and it is actually a doctor, my wisdom warriors, because me get few more, something similar to this. Two persons reach out to me and a doctor, mighty God, and a nurse from over there, my wisdom warriors. Them not happy with what is going on. The doctor that died the other day, the nurses and doctors, them not happy, but them have to just pretend and just keep it moving. They have to pretend and keep it moving. You hear what this person say? Imagine the doctor died up by University Hospital and there is no memo. They not send around nothing to say that this happened. Word of mouth and business as usual up there. Wanna hear that? No compassion from management. Wanna hear that? This is the hospital, where the doctor work, few much years, The doctor died according to them. Them suspect suicide. So them say, but I don't believe that nonsense. Wanna hear me? Me personally, at half of the press, don't believe that. And everything people talk, just come out and attack, we fi believe. Wanna hear me? Because uno suspect suicide and nobody not show no remorse. Not one person. Okay, me understand. And everybody are gonna get on. But come on now, from management, this is really bad. This is really bad. And the people, them not happy about it. The people, them not happy about all of these things. Boy, me not take my wisdom warriors seriously. I wonder how the family them feel about all this. I don't even know if them know. I don't know if them even know what is really going on. Seriously. Them cannot do things like that. You can't have doctor who work with you for years and not send out no memo. No remorse. No compassion towards the doctor, then guess what? Jamaica people, then if they not show no compassion to feed them, doctor, you don't think that them are going to show compassion to patient? That's why when I say well, if a patient dead and the mothers and the sisters and the brothers and everybody, uncle, auntie, grandmother, granny, cry out and a ball out, they just cut them eye. Nobody no business with Jamaica. Me want to know wake up. Me I beg you no wake up. The healthcare system is shit. Like seriously. The healthcare system gone to the dogs. And when we talk about it, when Dr. Daz come out and attack on it, Christopher Tufton for some reason, whatever reason, he get offended. You understand? And it's the people life at risk. The people health at risk. The people life at risk. Yeah. This government show we over and over that they do not care. Over and over. But labor rights, them not sick, them never sick, and they frigga them. They ain't get bad treatment to when they got the hospital, but you then shame like a blouse and skirt dog, and them die-hearted. They shut them mouth and lock them then tongue down in a then throat hole. I idiot them, the labor right them. I can't stand no. Me no rate no. Me no rate no. Cause uno no have no sense. Uno same one used to ball out during COVID. Uno labor right. Uno ball out more on PNP. Uno they all over social media every single day a ball out. Andrew want less this, Andrew want less that. No for uno talk. Enough of them to my wisdom warriors talk in the same labor right community and the same labor right people, them kill their own people. Remember good, no? Remember good. Remember good. I never forget this young lady. I never forget her. She live in a labor right area and she talk about homelessness. And then go to the same labor right, then go to go kill her. Me tell you on a labor right on a dance. Something is really wrong with you, no? Something is really wrong with you. You not see what is going on. You not even stand up for your own self, much less. You not stand up for your own self. And when me hear all one lady one time in my wisdom warriors, I say, oh, look how Andrew on the street with nice in a COVID. Me say, what? What the hell she a say? What the hell she a say? Me put out and me say, Jamaica is the only country in the world during COVID charge them people up to 800,000 finna wear no mask. Bear in mind, people dying at that time. And people come and accuse me and I say, I lie me a tell and this and that. Labor rights, me done with uno. Uno sick to blouse and skirt. Uno sick people. Uno is a walking mad. Uno a mad set of people. Uno a mad set of people, man. Uno crazy. Uno put man over uno life. But anyway, no found the target. No found the target. Uno say uno rather dead and dead for hungry. And that member so uno come out and say it, you know. Say, uno we dead for Andrew and Juliet illness, and uno we dead for hungry for them. Uno labor right come out and say that out of the mouth. Mighty God of Daniel. No, sir. No, sir. Uno have to learn to come together and unite. Uno too separated, man. Uno have to come together, man. When uno got the hospital, nobody now asks, are you labor right or are you PNP? Nobody now asks uno that. Nobody now asks on that. You whole of una ball. Inflation sky high. Right now the country in a recession. Right now the country in a recession. And you only going get 192 million US dollars. Put we in a debt. In boss and more taxpayer money and this and that. Take taxpayer money and in Donny. We in a recession. Donny power. We don't even know. But my wisdom warriors. This no look good. This no look good for Jamaica. Una can't say una defend a man. Una say una defend Andrew Holness. When una say Andrew Holness, una depend shower una come like a some idiot. Talk to him and ask him about the healthcare. Not one of una talk about the healthcare because una no anyway no found look like una sick. Una look sick. Seriously, when me see una about una shower. My blouse and skirt. My wisdom warriors, I want to take in Andrew Holness right now. Because Andrew Holness decided now to go down at the burn victim them place. I remember say, what go down other day the people them lose them house and all these things. But I want to refresh on the memory, my wisdom warriors. Because when the house them did burn down around a Gregory Park, they saw. You remember? Andrew Holness pick up himself and gone down there. And the lady a cry. Remember some man come there, you know, she say, you know, man have gun on them sitting there and then did a fling buckle. I think they did a buckle touch the place and so. And Andrew Holness go over there and promise them house. Nearly 2 years now. Not one of them get house. I remember them really, really good because at one point it was Wayne Lonesome. We did I help them out. It was Wayne Lonesome. I want big up Wayne Lonesome for that. Me never forget my wisdom warriors. The people them a cry. The people them stress out. Andrew Holness go down there with him chest high and his head high. And how him a go this and that all no. But when I see Andrew Holness pick up himself now, gone over Fletcher's land and say him a go help the people them, me have to say But Andrew, you go over Gregory Park and you promise them house and everything. All now, nearly 2 years now, the people they not get no help. Now you pick up yourself right now, gone over Central Kingston, so you go help them. So what about the people them over Gregory Park? This a money, I know. This a money. I tell you no all the while. I tell you no. Andrew Holness just do things for the media feel look good. But anytime you follow up things, when we come to reality, say nothing is not done. The only thing get done unless Andrew Wellness is benefiting from it. You hear me? Like all them the infrastructure the way my bill up and he have shares in a them. Hey. And I him I get the whole of the government contract. Anyway, my people, me I go show you the video down at Gregory Park. Yeah? Guess what? I refresh on a memory. Yeah, me have 2 clips for show you. Me I show you the one when you go down at Gregory Park and promise how the government are going to help the people them. Yeah, that's a number 1. This was in 2023. Now we in 2025 and the people them not even get a tent from him, much less house.
Yeah, poor people get homeless and traumatized. God not sleep.
What this is an act of terror. And the people who have committed it are terrorists. I have a message for them. We're going to treat this one specially. And the people who committed the crime were seen. And I'm going to be personally on it to ensure that every last one of them is found and dealt with within and at the limit of the law. There is obviously a need to have the families provisioned for back to school. So I give
our women are very cautious. That's what I say.
For the
I don't know. I don't really believe this stupidness because from the people them get the joke.
I also give the commitment that
the
11 houses, structures that were destroyed, that they will be repaired. If the objectives of the terrorists is to displace the people here so that they could possibly import who they want in the area, they will not have that comfort. They will not have that victory. We will rebuild the structure so that the people who are here can be regularized and have a good life and living condition. We will never allow them to win. I don't think that anyone could truly appreciate the terror that the people who live in this community would have felt and experienced. When you consider it, that a gang of Jamaican citizens living in this community, they obviously know each other. Some of them would have gone to school together. They are friends. And they could be possessed by such evil to come across the way, because just a few 100 meters separate the communities, obviously. Come with canisters of petrol and deliberately walk from house to house and throw the accelerant on the house and light it afire with children inside. It is not something that the state should tolerate in any way. To consider it a crime would be to treat it as ordinary. What this is an act of terror. And the people who have committed it are terrorists.
Yes. Yes.
And they should be treated as such. They should be dealt with the limit of the law. It is not the first time that we have seen the use of arson to displace communities. And it has happened in this area several times before. In fact, if you look at the crime reports, you would see that gangs using arson to displace communities is quite a common feature. In fact, I believe it was last year, a similar incident occurred, and the police were able to intercept some of the men who were believed to have conducted the arson, and I believe a few of them were killed. It is quite unfortunate that we were not able to intercept those who committed this act on Saturday night. I have a message for them. We're going to treat this one specially. And the people who committed the crime were seen. And I'm going to be personally on it to ensure that every last one of them is found and dealt with within and at the limit of the law.
According to Observer, more than 40 Gregory Park firebombing victims still homeless. May people take a look. This was August 19, 2024. This was posted by Observer. 1 year after their houses were firebombed by thugs and 2 among them killed, more than 40 residents of 44 Walkers Avenue in Gregory Park, St. Catherine, including children, are still homeless. The situation has been causing the fire victims great anguish, and to add to their woes, they know not when the new houses the government had promised to build for them will become a reality. Remember, my wisdom warriors, bear in mind, see, from 2023, the incident happened, from 2023. 1 year later, the people them still await on the house up to today day. Up to today day. So when I see Andrew Wallace pick up himself now, gone over central Kingston, me I wonder what he might do over there. He over there promised the people them to build them house. A same thing he doing good on a Gregory Park, and he promised them house. He promised them house nearly 2 years now. If people then still not get no house. So this government are just a puppy show government. Andrew Wallace don't care about Jamaica. And maybe you see these people them now, maybe he might go down there and build it for true. But what I'm saying, the people them down at Gregory Park are wait for nearly 2 years now, Andrew Wallace, and you know look left, you know look right. You know no shame. No, sir, you're wicked man to your own people. You're wicked. You're wicked. Where the people them are go? Remember your show off other day, over Portmore. Say you build up apartment for Jamaicans. Why you not take them, put them in the apartment? You can't put them in there because they know say them the apartment there, a money making apartment, not for poor people. You don't care about poor people. You don't care one bit. My wisdom warriors, take in this. Prime Minister Andrew Holness on Tuesday assured residents in central Kingston and Fetchersland that the government will provide assistance to people who were affected by the recent fire in the communities. Some people hear this.
Let me assure you that we are going to assist those persons who have been displaced by the fire. We're going to try and do it as quickly as possible. But it is not something that can happen overnight. Before we can assist in any meaningful way other than the humanitarian assistance, which is already in train, the building assistance, we have to determine the ownership of the land. That's number one. And then we have to do some social investigation into the circumstances of the persons to determine the extent to which we can help. All of that we are going to put into train to ensure that we can help the persons dislocated to come back to some form of normalcy.
If them not have no title for them yard, still
very good question. That we cannot build on property that we don't know who own it. True. We can't just go onto people's property and build. That makes sense. So we have to establish ownership. Yeah. Once ownership is established, then we can determine what we can do, whether it is to replace a building or to give a grant. Now, for those persons who are living on property that they don't own or don't have the title to, then we still will help, but we will help you maybe with building material or some other form of assistance. But we cannot build on land that is not our land, or we don't have the rights to build on it. That's just the reality of the situation. So I understand from the Member of Parliament that the land situation is being assessed, that they do have titles and permission. And so for those that they don't have the title, or they know who the owners are, then we will seek to get permission from the owners to build. But the first thing is to establish who owns the land so that the government itself is not violating people's property rights by going on to people's land and doing whatever we choose. That's not how we operate.
All right. So anyway, thank you very much. Thank you for the welcome, and we'll do as much as we can very quickly. All right.
So my wisdom warriors, soon the Prime Minister there, he gone over Central, Kingston, Fletcher's Land, wherever him there. Yeah? I tell the people them about land and house and all type of something. So I believe him would do it. Remember, you know? Remember, say, when them come with the entitle, you know, once the government build upon that, you know, the house no belong to the people them anymore. The house belong to the government. So for example, if the owner or if the mother and father named upon the title or the mother upon the title, the mother named upon the title, the house cannot pass down, even though the land are for them. Even though it's a family land, the house cannot pass down. All right, the house is for the government. I don't know how that work, but that is what Anjo say. Wanna hear me? That is what Anjo Holness said. That is what Desmond Mackenzie say. And on me say so. And that then say out of them own a mouth. All right? So my wisdom warriors, I believe say him will do it now. I strongly believe. Because you know say election a come. Yeah, so me think he will hurry and start something to make it look like, yeah, you know, you don't know how he come down already. But I can't understand how you go over Gregory Park. You go over there and promise the people them house. You go build up house and one bag of something. Nearly 2 years now. August will come. I go be 2 years. From 2023. Now we're in 2025. And the people they not get no house and Joel. No house. Them not get. Only some people you can fool, you know. Only some people you can fool. This is why you see me draft a observer. I couldn't draft a gleaner, you know, but I said no. Because they like to say gleaner PNP. So I say, all right, me draw for observer. Because I never say nationwide put it out. Because if I did say nationwide put it out, you know say them force me a drafter. But anyway, my people, I pay attack claps a drop over here. So, hey, Mr. I've sitting for sure now. Damion Crawford run out pan dead man Mackenzie and not no normal. Take a look at this. So my wisdom warriors, you know, so nationwide run out and you know, write up the things them saying the legal team for local government minister Desmond Mackenzie has written opposition Senator Damion Crawford, threatening him with a multi-million-dollar defamation lawsuit. Anyway, now, you know, so Damion Crawford now repost that. My wisdom warriors. And when him repost it, yeah, this is what he wrote. Him say, that Casey on my uncle name don't mean Kingston College, brother Desmond. Wanna hear that? I wonder if you understand what Damion say. Damion posts in uncle picture and write, that Casey on my uncle name don't mean Kingston College, brother Desmond. Hey, Tory come to bump my wisdom warriors. We have to ball out. No, sir. A peer attack clubs, you know? Peer attack clubs. I don't know if many of you know Ransford Bryan. He's a King's Counsel. He's a Jamaican politician from the Jamaica Labour Party who currently serves as a member of the Senate of Jamaica. Braham graduated from the University of West Indies. He served as Attorney General under Bruce Golding from 2011 to 2012. And he just resigned other day, my wisdom warriors, from the Jamaica Labour Party. He just resigned. Anyway, Damion Crawford just make Mr. Desi, dead man, no say that Casey, where you see, and my uncle name, it don't mean Kingston College. It don't mean Kingston College. I wonder if Desi, the dead man, are here. It doesn't mean Kingston College. It means King's Counsel. So, you know the message that Damion Crawford has sent to him. You know said Desmond Mackenzie still a look for apology. You know said Desmond Mackenzie still a look for apology. You not get no apology. Go. You not get no apology. So Damion Crawford for come apologize to Uno. We are rip off Jamaica. Uno sick in on a blouse and skirt head. My wisdom warriors, Uno tell me what you think. Put Uno honest opinion in the comment section. Like up the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on a nice clean self. One love.
Today I want to talk to you about the importance of getting enumerated. Now, imagine looking around your constituency, your community, and identifying things that you want changed, but you don't have a say in making those changes. If you get registered to vote today or before March 31st, you'll become eligible to vote by May 31st. So I want to implore you to get on the voters list, get registered so that you can have a meaningful say in the changes that are effected in your constituency.